Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I want to show how to make a pattern, macrame pattern, a shrimp. It's a shrimp pattern we are making. You will need 4 cords like this. You're going to pick the first one as your leading cord, then the next one you roll it over twice. You pick the next one, you roll it over twice. Then the last cord, you roll it over twice. Pull it to secure. You can see what we have here. We're going to make another one. You have your lead cord, you pick the first one here, you roll it over twice. The next one, you do the same thing, roll it over twice. Then the last rope here, you do the same thing, you roll it over twice. You can see what we are having. Then let's try another one. You have your lead cord, you roll this over twice. You pick the next one, you roll it over twice. Then the last one, you roll it over twice. You can see what we have here. You can see the pattern here. You pull it over, take it under. You can see what we are having. Take it under, take this under. You can see the pattern now, just like we have it here. That's how we are going to do it. It's a very nice pattern. Thank you so much for your time.